working now? My PC just shut off. That was weird. Okay, I'm checking it now. Let's see. Okay, I'm checking it now. Let's see. Okay, hello? Okay, I'm checking it now. Let's see. Alright, cool. We're good. We're working now, I think. Oh, the server's up. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. And then I'm gonna have to restart it. No, no, no. Stay still. Stay on. It turns off in 2 minutes? Really? Is that actually a thing? I don't know. Okay. Display. Hello! Okay. Making sure that this is all working. My computer's getting really loud. Alright, hello. I've done a lot of work. Okay? I'm gonna, you know what if I just put my Twitch stream on my phone? I used to do it like that, but I haven't in a long time. Okay. I am live! Woo! See if it's... Is this sound normal? Wait, does my microphone sound fine? Yeah, I'm good. Alright. Alrighty. There. So I can close that. Okay, I guess it's raining right now. It's literally always raining. Okay, so I've done so much work just on and off this week. Like, I just come on after school and listen to a podcast while rebuilding things. So almost everything is back to normal, I think. Is my computer gonna live? It's just really cold because I had my window open, so it's just cold, like weirdly cold. So that's probably all it is. I'm gonna clear the weather. I don't care. I have the power to do that, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. We've gotten almost everything back to normal. That was the most difficult thing on earth, but it is a block by block recreation of Ziff's house. So, as everything else was a block by block, except the museum, I decided to take a different approach to it. So you'll see it in a second. I'll go show that off because I think it's kind of cool. I'm not done it yet. I'm gonna like keep working on it, but yeah. Because with that comes a little bit of, I think I can't do anything without cheating, because some of the stuff that was in the museum was like weapons that were like specific to Time to Battle. Anyways, yeah, here it is though. There's still a couple more builds to do, but mostly it's done. And this was the most like, oh, that's gonna suck to rebuild. I've been dreading it, but last night I just did it, and it took a long time, but I got it finished. And it's pretty good. I didn't do any interior up here. I was just gonna let Will, because Will was living here at the end of Time to Battle. He moved back in, so I'm just gonna let Will decide what he wants to do with it. And yeah. Anyways, I do have Minecraft open next to me so that we can finish off a couple more of the builds. I also wanted to think about getting Eyes of Ender so that we can get ready to go to the end. And I don't think I'm going to do it yet, but I'd like to get an Elytra. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, if we go up here. This is the museum. First I'm going to go to sleep in the apartment building. Yeah, like I said, everything is basically back. Got the apartment building. I did this morning. I was on for a while. Okay. Alright. Okay, so yeah, here's the museum. That flag wasn't up there. Now it is. um, yeah, I actually decorated the inside of it like walls. So over here we got the WowTown flags. It says the dates that it was used. That one. Then this the one now. And then these are just two other flags, which I went to these places. I didn't build anything on them yet, but like I just went there. These are former Time to Battle WowTown presidents. So it's just like Will, Ryan, me, Mask, Ryan, me, Taylor, and Will. Again. Um, I think we could do this today. I guess Will like half did it when he was last on. Um, oh, and over here, I decided to go instead of building Will's old netherrack house because it was like half destroyed by the end. So I just built some random house with like dog under the water because this area is really nice. Like just down here in the area in the corner, there used to be trees here too, but they're all gone. I also finally flattened out this mountain just up here where another hard thing to do is Ryan's mansion. I don't want to do that. It's gonna suck to do, but eventually I'll do it. I was thinking about building, so we could do the town hall, or Taylor's house is pretty simple, I think, and I think we already have all the stuff we need on us. There's a lot of dark oak wood. There's a lot of hold on, I'm just gonna check my Twitch quickly. Hold on, sorry, I'm just checking. Oh crap. Whoa. Alright, let's go sleep quickly. Also, I did the pier way different, because the pier was kind of weird looking. And we're not putting the castle back, because neither me or Will liked it, so we both agreed to just not rebuild that. And so I had more space to work with. Oh my god, is there a skeleton? No, it's over there. Okay. Hopefully there's nothing nearby and I can sleep. Oh, I'm just gonna... Alright. What else is there to do? There's that... Hi! Aw, oh, crap. No! No! Die! He barely hit me. Oh my god, that's... a minute and 13 seconds? Holy crap. Okay. Let's do this first, because I feel like it's bothering me. It's right in the center of town and it's not done. So, let's get it done. I'm just opening my recreation of the world on my computer. How do I... just trying to figure something out. Why can't... Where is it? Like, the thing that sets it up so that it pops up when I'm streaming on my... Whatever, it's fine. I'm really looking too far into it. Okay, so I need a lot of oak wood. Okay, I can get all the stuff I need. Glass. But not panes. I don't know if I have any left over, just glass. Oh yeah, there's this guy, by the way, that I just found. He doesn't have a name. Bertram. Let's name him Bertram! So, I do need dark oak. Okay, I need to empty my inventory too. I also just am running out of chest room, like, holy crap. I'm so unorganized. Okay. Oak wood. Just in case we need more, I'll take that. Okay, let's take a bunch of dark oak wood. We need, like, we do need some of this too. And what else? Glass, right. We have one piece of sand. Let's go. Oh, wow, holy. Oh, yeah, this is all left over from, what was it? I can't remember the name. I think that, yeah. Where are these monsters, bro? Clear. Set. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's see if we need to come back here. Hopefully we don't. Okay. It's a simple build, right? So, glass right here, I think. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And everything goes up like that, right? Let's see. There's a little bit more glass. Right here. Alright. Just here, and that's it. Other than that, there's no glass left over, except this bit right here is kind of weird. Because it comes out again. Yeah, it comes out like this. It's really weird. How? How does that even... Okay. So, like... Oh, crap. We need spruce wood. We need to find that. Like that. Except, no. It only comes out... Oh, my God. This is so confusing. And then... looks like that. That doesn't look right at all. How is this built? This is the most... Huh? It's like, okay. This is so weird. I don't understand. Wish I had shears. Okay, so it's like... It's like this. But then there's... I don't freaking know. I'm just gonna do this. Because I just don't know. Okay, and then... And then it's like this. And that's right. Okay. Boom, boom. Yeah, I need spruce wood, like a lot of it. I think that I have some left over from what I gave to Ryan earlier. Okay, it should be just over here. Oh god. I don't... Okay, whatever. What am I looking for? Spruce wood, right? I totally zoned out there. Why is there no spruce wood? Where the heck is the spruce wood? I probably put it in my chest. I know I had like almost a stack. Gave 4 to... I had like 60. Okay, well there's 12 planks. There it is. Oh my... Okay. Then like this. There we go. No, that doesn't look right either. At all. It's too far back. Way too far back. It's supposed to be like 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Wow, this is very wrong. 1, 2. Wow, everything about this building is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's supposed to just. Nah, none of this is right. Oh my god, oh no. It's completely wrong. Everything about it is. Uh, I can't stay sane unless I fix this. So I'm gonna have to fix it. I'm gonna have to fix it all. Okay. God. Alright, I'm gonna put some music on. Lo-fi beats. Lo-fi beats. No! On YouTube. Dude, it keeps making me use my Microsoft Bing and I hate it. Alright. Alright, there we go. There, epic beats. You still hear me well? Yes. Okay. Let's try and figure this out all. I don't think everything about it is wrong, but I'm just gonna restart it because I think it'll be simpler. And then figure out what's up with why every single bit of it is wrong. I think I messed it up back here. I think that's the issue. It's fine. It's fixable. At least we weren't like completely done it and then I realized that it was all wrong. It won't take long. It was way too big. It was weird. Why is there this giant hole that? Oh, is it just a re-roll? Okay. Oh, there's more. I'm not gonna get rid of the flooring. I'll do it after we've like went over everything again, and then I'll figure out what's wrong. It's a weird looking floor. It was always a like funky kind of style. That's what I liked about it. You don't normally see something like that. Okay, okay. Huh. This is funky. As I said, it's funky. Okay. 1. We started. Let's go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then let's just scale it out. Oh my god. It's like 1, 2, and then right here is where the glass goes. Like that. That's the front right there. And then let's start with this side over here. I'm gonna be coming in and out of the frame of the thing, by the way. 1, 2. Okay, so then it was like that was right too. It goes back and then comes out 1, 2, like that. And then yeah, it comes around like this. So far, everything's was already perfect. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so far everything's perfect. It seems like I was the one to mess it up. Okay, like that. And then 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, yeah. This is where it's wrong. It came in 1, 2. This goes like this 1, 2. Ready? these bits are like this. 2. Alright, like that. 1, 2, and then 1. Okay, and then like this. 1. This is all like grass too. Okay, whatever, I'll do that after. 1, 1, 2, like this, and then it comes out like this. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then back in. It does basically the exact same thing, just on the opposite end. Okay, so right here is the flag. Is that starting to look more right? Yeah, it is. One. How does it do this last bit? Oh, just, okay. Wait, what? What? This is weird. I was wrong. It's not the exact same on the other end. Okay. 1, 1, 2 is correct. So 1, 1. Okay, so far we are correct. And then it comes out 1 again. Like this. But then it comes out like again, and then it's 1, 2, 3, and then it goes in 1, and then in 1, 2, like this. My gosh, my golly. Oh, and then like that. That is it. There. That is how it's done. That's how we do it around here. Now that's off course though, right? The whole dark oak in the middle thing. Okay, it's supposed to be like that. Okay. Let's redo this. Floor pattern. It's like that. Does it really just come in? Okay, yeah. Everything is jolly. Everything's good. Oh no, we already have blocks. Okay. There. It comes up one more, right? Oh, wait, what? Everything's just 2, okay? Everything just goes around like this. And then it's got the funky roof. Alright. I'm gonna turn off my camera on this end. I think this is how I'm gonna start doing it, alright? With my face cam, because I can never decide if I want to use it or not. So I'm gonna like start them with it like on this camera, and then just display is just this. Okay? Simple. Now I can lean back, see, without feeling uncomfortable. I like that. That's why I like not having. Alright. Is that okay? So all the walls are up. So now we use slabs to do... Okay, so just basically trace it, that's it? Yep. Okay, so we need slabs. Like a lot of them. Just trace it for the first one. Does it go on the... Yep. Alright, that is the first bit done. And then does it just do it again? Yeah, but this time it like goes... Oh, okay, this is a bit more complex than I thought. Can I just use, like, oak blocks? Is that what he did? Or did it immediately go up? Nah, it's all slabs, yeah. Them. Alright. So, this first one starts right. Oh, no. Just trying to avoid turning into a full slab. A full slab, a block. Did it? Yeah. Alright. There. Like that. And then it goes... It hops a block. So you can't see it here, but it's like that. It's like that. What the frick? Why does it do that? It's like, oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna do it how I feel like doing it, because this is weird. They didn't just do this, what I'm doing right now. It's way different. And then I know for a fact it did do this. See how weird it is? Alright, so boom. How high does it go? Oh, it just like goes almost all the way up until it's really small. Crap. Quit doing that. Now I do this. So stupid. Final one. There we go. Does that look? Yeah, that looks about it. chests. I hate. Need 4. Oh no, my dog's having a bad dream in my room. Dude, you good? No, you're not supposed to wake them during bad dreams. Fun little fact for you, don't wake them. So I just kind of have to listen to them whimper. Okay. Now, let me get my little guy over here to walk into the building. Aw, poor Homer. Okay. I need a lectern. No, I don't know where I'm gonna get one of those. Do I have any books? I don't have any books. Therefore, I can't make a lectern. I think I can make books. Wait, I might actually be able to just make books. If I have enough sugar cane, I need 3 more. Or even just paper. Come on. I gotta have some somewhere. I zoned out. What am I looking for? Poor Homer. God, he is so sad. Okay, there's some leather. I know I had that. I think. I might not have had that. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, and there we go. So I can make a bookshelf. And then I can make a lectern, right? That's all you need. 3 books. Bookshelf. We need slabs. But I got those, too. Go, and then like either like this. Okay, there we go. What else do we need? We need some dark oak. Bada boom, bada bang. We also need a lot of oak trapdoors. You'll see why in a moment. Okay, there, that should be everything we need to do oh, we need torches too. Okay, do we just have any torches in here, or do I have to make some? I saw the stuff to make it, but like, that might not make enough. How much does this get us, like 16? Yeah, that should be enough. Alright. So, now we just... Should we check out? I wanted to see how laggy my stream gets. Like, can I use shaders while streaming? Because Will showed me these new shaders that are so good. They're, like, awesome. Okay, let's see. Ooh, rain. Shut up. There we go. Okay, please say it's not too laggy. Like, oh my god, I can stream with shaders. See... Oh no, these are my old shaders, aren't they? Yeah, whoops. These are the new ones. Wow. These ones make my computer get a little bit louder though. So, no, it's still working on my stream. That's crazy. See, the issue with this is like, with shaders, I can't really tell how lighting up works. Like, is it lit? I don't really know. Okay, we can put shaders on later. I just can't. I can never light rooms up with shaders on because it doesn't do it. There we go. Well, no matter what it was. Hey guys, never do this, but time set night. Let's see, midnight. Yes. Okay. So it's like right here. Yep. So right here is where the desk goes. And there is 2 blocks right next to it like this, and then at the front it is like this and like this, and then there is a sign that says the president's name. But I think that I'm going to change this place around at some point, because before Town of Battle ended, I always wanted to make a White House for the president and the desk and stuff. This is just a town hall, so I might change things up. President, it's Will right now, so. So this bit over here is kind of funky looking. There's a crafting table. There's a crafting table like right here, and then it just looks like that, and then like that, and then over here. Is that like the same thing? No, it's just. I don't even really know, like that. There. That's the, oh, and then there was also 2 flags, like this. And that was the town hall. Let's put another flag, like, right here and right here. Right. There, that's the town hall. I always thought it was a bit of a fun-looking build. Alright, what's the time on the stream? 43 minutes? Cool. What else could we build? Get finished. I want to build a White House, but what else I want to do is make Lance mad. Alright? I don't even think it's getting on his nerves, but I just find it funny. So, we're gonna build a bridge to a small little island to connect it. Okay? So, it can't go in a okay. This is gonna be kind of hard to do. Let's put the shaders on for fun. Look how cool it is. I love these shaders. I wish I knew about these earlier. They're way better than my old ones. Everything looks beautiful. Okay, so I'm thinking about terraforming this area and then building a bridge from here over there. Wait, was there already a bridge? Like, is this a new thing? Or was there already a bridge? I don't think there was. I think his island was... Because he kept saying it wasn't a part of WowTown. It wasn't a part of WowTown. So let's see. No, there wasn't a bridge. So, now there's gonna be a bridge. Okay, this might take a bit. I can do the terraforming on my own. What I'll do is I'll just get the like path itself over with on stream. So right now it'll just go through a tunnel. But I'll by the next time I stream, this thing will be gone. Oh my god, it's so dark. I can't see a thing. Hold on. What are you doing? Go away. Okay, so I guess what we could do is just it's over here. No! Why are they always around? Alright, there we go. Oh, what the frick? Okay. There we go. Now we can get to this place easily. There. Oh crap. Okay, let's make a crafting table right here. There we go. There's the... Alright. Oh, look at that. A screenshot of that. Okay, I'm probably gonna end stream now. How long have we been streaming for? I'm assuming like almost an hour? Yeah, almost an hour. Alright, I'm probably gonna end stream. That was fun though. I'll probably be back soon. I've been enjoying myself, rebuilding all this crap. Yeah, I probably won't stream until someone's on again, though, because we haven't had people on in a while. Well, Ryan was on this morning. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. Just get somewhere safe and stream. Alright. Okay, my go. Good freeze frame. See, I can fix that. No, it's all messed up again. That happened earlier. Alright, whatever. I'll just end it on. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. That was fun. Like I said, I'll be back soon.